completed. Today's flight takes you to the planet Corellia. You will be intercepting a first-order train shipment of coaxium. Gunners, you clear the path. Pilots, line up behind the train. And engineers, you harpoon that precious cargo. Hold on, my friends. See you in the cockpit.
There we go.
Seated and supervised younglings. Por favor, permanezcan sentados.
I'm pretty sure she said young ones, but that's cool too. Seatbelts go across your lap, and then bags can go on the ground.
Okay.
Go ahead, pull your yellow shirt for me. And then are you going to take your water bottle off?
Oh, good night. Oops.
It's on the bottom right, or bottom left side.
Add hold for a second.
Just pull your yellow shot for me. Pull the yellow. Alright, go ahead, press your flashing buttons now. Good luck out on your mission, and may the force be with you.
Flight engineer, prepare this. Hit your flashing button. You'd better be faster when we get into real trouble. Right, pilot, push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left, move your stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right, pull back on the stick to fly up and push forward to fly down. Only one gunner. Oh, good shot. Weapons are online. Left pilot, hit the booster. Now let's go get that coaxium. Right pilot, make the jump to light speed.
Make the jump. I don't know how.
Ha ha ha!
I like that. That was
There is the train. Jump, Papa. Those heavy ties are protecting the train. Take them out.
Don't turn the TV on. This right now.
They've locked onto us. Take evasive action. Gunners, we need to defend ourselves. Open fire. Gunners, blast away. Blast. Ah, there it is. After that train. Right engineers, fire the harpoon. Now, gunners, shoot the cargo. Left pilot, brakes. Oh, my friends, that could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse.
Maybe this is your fault.
Yes, you got one. Excellent, my friends. Power up the ship. Well,
It's back on.
go axiom. You see, just as I promised, my friend. Come on, let's get another container of coaxium. Pilots, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Gunners, shoot the train. Engineers, reel us closer. Oh, that's ridiculous. This is getting too hot. Yes, and this is Brexit. Fire the missiles at the train. Hurry.
Maybe we gotta get
It's coming down. Move. We're getting let's go. But we made it. Now, let's get out of here. Yes, Julie will pilot us in remotely. You retrieved one container of coaxium. This will greatly help the resistance. You have heard the first order and made Chewie proud. Now after my modest profit, your cut minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon is... Ooh, that is rough.
Oh, Maddie, we didn't do it again. That's on you, hon. 22%. Wow.
All right,
We
damage
may or may
report.
not have failed this mission.
Engine failure. All right. Hyperdrive leak. That is not too good. Multiple hull ruptures. Well, it could be worse. Life support failure.
Pushing all the buttons.
Whoa! Looks like we are ready to unload.
Not bad. Let's go. Get in your cargo, you guys. Smile this way. Come. Ready? Hey, push away.
All available text.
Can we hear you?
Look. Thank you.
This thing is practically scrap metal.
All right, that was awesome. That was awesome. Thanks for coming along with us. We're on our way back out.
Stairs.
I'm following the exit signs. That's all I'm doing. All right, we're on our way down, guys. I keep following the exit signs.